Welcome to this mobile inventory/web demo. This is the main login screen. Once you log in, this is what you will see. Let's continue with purchase order receipts. Click on receipts. Type in the purchase order ID. Click find. You will see the lines that you have possibilities of receiving. I have flipped the screen to make it fit. Once you're holding your cell phone, this will look in the right order, right side up. Now, you can click on the buttons on the right to fully receive that line, or you can type the received quantity. Once you enter the received quantity, you can hit submit. Now, let's do a work order pick list. Click on pick list. Type in the work order ID. You can possibly add a /lot ID to go straight to that lot. In this screen, you have a couple of options. One, you can click the operation number that will let you pick that operation. Or you can click the work order lot ID to pick the whole work order. For this demo, I am only picking operation 10. In this screen is the first item. It is sorted by location. It will tell you warehouse and the location. You can click the button on the right to fully pick that quantity from that location, or you can mix and match. You can pick a few from one location and a few from another location. For the purpose of this demo, I'm only picking from one location. Then automatically the next location shows, and then the third part. Now you have completed operation 10 pick list. Now we're going to continue with location to location transfers. Click on location transfer. Type in the part ID. Click find. Now you have all the locations and the quantities on each location. You can type in the quantity that you wish to receive or transfer. From location to location. And click submit. This has some validations. You cannot transfer from, and you have to have a from to location. You cannot transfer from a location that does not have sufficient quantities. Now click on submit, and that will transfer your inventory. Let's look at cycle count. Cycle count, you can click on count or recount. Type in the quantity of the count. Click submit, next part, and that will continue until the whole physical count tag group is completed. Another option is to count one specific tag. Here is the list of group 0 for this count. You can pick a count or a recount tag, put in the quantity to overwrite, and click Submit. With this, we have concluded our web/mobile warehouse inventory. Thank you.